Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the insert key. Oftentimes, when we're writing estimates, we'll be flying through it, and when we're reviewing it, we'll remember, oh yeah, I forgot this line item, I want to put it in here. But it can get kind of tricky as to how you actually input that line item. Do I put it at the bottom? Then do I drag it up to where it's supposed to be? Do I use the right click to append a line item or insert a line item? Well, you can use the insert key to quickly insert a line item where you would like to. So I'm going to click here, and let's say I want to put a new line item here. I can click insert, and it'll put it there. One thing I found while preparing for this video is it's not always super consistent as to if that line item is going to go above or below where you click. So I can click here, and right now it'll put it underneath, and I can click here, and right now it'll put it above. So in order to, let's say I want it to go underneath this one line item, I can just click it again and hit insert again. And it will just switch it to where it was, where I originally wanted it, below that number one line item. So you can hit the insert key and insert line items right there. And we can add WTR, DRY in there and continue on and keep going. And then if you want to send that blank line item to the bottom, you can always hit line edit options and append and set it to the bottom. So this has been another Hotkey highlight showing you how to quickly insert new line items into the spot that you want them using the insert key. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.